Have you ever wondered why the longest and shortest days of the year occur? Well, the answer lies in the fascinating celestial phenomena known as solstices. These intriguing events, occurring twice a year, have been captivating humanity for centuries, influencing cultures, rituals, and even the design of ancient monuments. But there's so much more to solstices than meets the eye. From their astronomical significance to their impact on Earth's climate, we're about to embark on a journey through 7 fascinating facts about solstices, so buckle up. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a solstice? The term solstice comes from the Latin words sol, meaning sun, and sistera, meaning to stand still. This celestial event occurs twice a year, when the sun appears to halt in its path across the sky. During a solstice, the sun reaches its highest or lowest point in the sky at noon, resulting in the longest or shortest day of the year. So when you're enjoying those long, sun-drenched summer days, or noticing how quickly night falls in the depths of winter, it's all thanks to the solstice. And it's not just about the length of our days. Solstices also signal a shift in the seasons. They're the gatekeepers, marking the official start of summer and winter in most cultures. These are crucial events in Earth's orbit, reminding us of our planet's ever-dancing relationship with the sun. There are 2 types of solstices, the summer solstice and the winter solstice. Each of these solstices marks a unique point in our planet's journey around the sun, bringing with them distinct characteristics and experiences. The summer solstice, which typically falls around the 21st of June in the northern hemisphere, is a time of abundance. On this day, the sun reaches its highest point in the sky, bathing the Earth in the longest period of daylight we experience all year. It's a day of celebration, marking the beginning of the warm, vibrant summer season. Meanwhile, the winter solstice generally occurs around the 21st of December. This day sees the sun at its lowest point, resulting in the shortest day of the year. Though it might be chilly and dark, the winter solstice is also a time of celebration, as it marks the prospect of lengthening days and the return of the sun's warmth. So, these solstices give us the longest and shortest days of the year, respectively. Solstices have been celebrated by cultures around the world for centuries. These celestial events were more than just astronomical phenomena. They were deeply intertwined with the rhythms of life, agriculture, and spirituality. Ancient civilizations had a profound understanding of the solstices and their impact on the natural world. For instance, the Egyptians built the Great Pyramids of Giza in such a way that, during the summer solstice, the sun sets precisely between 2 of the pyramids. Similarly, the Mayans, known for their astronomical prowess, built the El Castillo Pyramid in Chichen Itza. During the equinoxes, not solstices, the play of light and shadow on this pyramid creates the illusion of a serpent descending its steps, a spectacle that attracts thousands of visitors even today. But perhaps the most famous example of ancient solstice alignment is Stonehenge, in England. This prehistoric monument has a clear alignment with the sunrise of the summer solstice and the sunset of the winter solstice. The exact purpose of Stonehenge remains a mystery, but its alignment with the solstices suggests that it served as an ancient astronomical calendar. Beyond architectural marvels, solstices hold cultural and religious significance in many traditions. The winter solstice, the darkest day of the year, is often celebrated as a time of rebirth and renewal. Yule, an ancient midwinter festival celebrated by the Germanic peoples, is thought to have solstice ties. And let's not forget Christmas, which many believe was placed on December 25th to align with the winter solstice and the Roman festival of Saturnalia. While the exact reasons are debated, the influence of the solstice on these celebrations is undeniable. In the Southern Hemisphere, indigenous Australian cultures recognize the solstices and equinoxes as significant times of the year. They mark these events with ceremonies and rituals that connect them to their ancestral past and the land. So these celestial events have held a significant place in human culture and history. They've shaped our understanding of time, influenced our architectural endeavors, and inspired our celebrations. The solstices, in their silent, steadfast way, continue to connect us with the rhythms of our planet and the universe beyond. The primary reason for solstices lies in Earth's axial tilt. Now you might be wondering, what does that mean? Well, our planet doesn't stand up straight like a top. Instead, it leans on an angle, about 23.5 degrees off its vertical axis. This tilt, relative to our orbit around the sun, is what gives us our changing seasons and the occurrence of solstices. Imagine Earth like a spinning top, tilted to one side as it goes around the sun. When the tilt is towards the sun, we experience summer and the longest day of the year, known as the summer solstice. When it's tilted away, we have winter and the shortest day, or the winter solstice. But the tilt doesn't just affect day length. It's also behind some truly incredible phenomena. Ever heard of the midnight sun? During the summer solstice in regions near the Arctic Circle, the sun can stay visible for 24 hours straight. The tilt keeps the sun above the horizon even at midnight. On the flip side, these same regions experience what's called the polar night during the winter solstice. The sun doesn't rise at all, leading to a full day of darkness. So, as you can see, the solstices and the changing seasons all come down to one thing: Earth's axial tilt. So it's all about the tilt. Today, we use advanced technology to observe and study solstices. With the advent of modern astronomy and climate science, our understanding of solstices has broadened and deepened. Scientists and enthusiasts alike utilize sophisticated tools like high-powered telescopes, satellite imagery, and computer simulations to track the sun's path and its impact on our planet. But why is this important? Well, solstices aren't just about marking the start of summer or winter. They're also key to understanding Earth's climate patterns. The axial tilt that gives us our solstices also influences our planet's weather and temperature. By studying the solstices, we can learn more about how this tilt affects our climate, from seasonal shifts to long-term changes. Moreover, the knowledge we gain from studying solstices can help us predict how our planet might respond to future climate changes. So, the study of solstices continues to unlock mysteries about our planet and its climate. And there you have it, 7 fascinating facts about solstices. We've journeyed from understanding what a solstice is to exploring its significance in history and culture, and finally diving into the science behind it. The dance between Earth and the sun is truly a marvel of nature. If you found this intriguing, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, I'm signing off from Stay Curious.